the amazing game. Even it looks so beautiful and it's a roulette game. Hey guys, this is Vaishali for the people, by the people, of the people, and I welcome you all on Extreme Roads. And if you have not subscribed me, then do subscribe me. And today I'm going to bring out to you a delightful event that you can enjoy in Goa. Yes, Goa is more than beaches. Goa is more than Goan food. Goa is also known for its casino. Yes friends, so we are with Delton Group and I'm going to show you the most beautiful event of casino that you can enjoy in Goa. The entrance seems amazing. So you're going to have your security check done here and then move ahead. And we have this friend of ours who is taking me here, and what's her name?
Jafar.
Jafar. Okay, Jafar is helping us to go around. Fine friends, so the one which we entered was the VIP entry, wherein the guest list is mentioned there and we have to sign in, and then you have been wrapped with this band. And this entry is for the walk-in entry. Anybody who just walks in, they have to take their tickets from here. So now we are waiting for the jetty. So we are waiting for the boat. Okay, the small boat is going to take us to the casino, and till then we are in the waiting lounge. Okay, so our boat has come and I am heading towards my ship, Delton Royal. So we are sailing in the small boat and this occupies 60 guests here and they all will be going to Delton Royal. I'm literally excited to go in and see that how it looks like, and I'm more excited to show it to you all guys because this is something really a part of Goa which you should never miss when you come to Goa. So I have reached Delton Royal Casino and the excitement is still on. Yeah, so I'm almost there. There are 5 levels here on the ship, and this 5 level has different categories. VIPs have specific levels, like on level 4, on level 3, all can go, and level 2, there is Vegas restaurant, on all can go there, and whiskey lounge only VIPs can go. And level 1 you also have for kids, so you need not have to worry if you have kids. You can definitely come with the kids, and there is a kids room here, and that's at level 1. So even there everybody is allowed, and at Sky Bar below 15 age is not allowed, so keep in mind. Okay, I'm just taking you on a walk through on level 1, and there are many tables where you can play, and this one is my favorite. This is learn to play table, so if you don't know how to play in casino, then he is going to guide you once you enter in. Okay, the game which I played was Casino War, and you can also have beverages. We are at level 2. Beautiful girl over here, and what's your name, darling?
Jamila.
We are at level 3 and the excitement is here.
She is Heliana and she is from Russia.
The game is played like this, right? The numbers which I'll say, the roulette has to come with the same number. Let's see if I won. 27. Play this game, and it is called stud poker, right? So stud poker, it's a 5-card game. Go ahead. Okay, I'm checking my cards. Okay, I win! So I got 2 pair of queen and third is here. Okay, let's... And this one is how much? 1,000. Okay, now see my cards. I win again. One more, last game. Alright? Abhijit is playing with me and he lost for twice. What's it, guys? Should I win? Oh, I won. You can take the tokens from here. This is the cashier counter. So there is an automatic roulette and there is a live roulette.
We are having bakra also.
Okay. There is live bakra and virtual bakra. Yeah friends, I'm on slot machine and this sounds interesting. I already won 3,000 rupees. You have to insert your card and then you have to play the game. Okay friends, so this is Andar Bahar game. Okay guys, so this is Teen Patti zone and in this Teen Patti, the game starts with 1 lakh rupees. Okay guys, so we are on level 4 and here only VIP entry is allowed. This is how it looks.
Congratulations to all the winners and good luck for the next draw. Thank you.
Yeah, I am. So let's see if we win. And I need to choose the number. Okay, so let's play the game, guys. If 19 drops. 14, it's not 19. So I'm good at card games. I'm not good at rolling games. 180. Alright. Oh, 13! We won! Selfies and that will be uploaded on Facebook and I'll get the printout also. Hey guys, so I'm Delta Queen. Hey guys, I'm on Mumbai Street here in casino in Goa. That's interesting. Pani puri to banta hai, right?
नॉन-वेज में इतनी अच्छी वैरायटी है जिसका कुछ कहना नहीं.
Veg food is really awesome, but for all Gujaratis, Gujarati curry bhi hai and also music. Going to play 7 up down, right? So this game plays like that. If I keep it on 7, okay, then and the dice comes 7, right? Then I win. And if I keep on up and if my dice comes above 7, then I win. And when I do down and my dice come below 7, then I win, right? So let's play the game. Yeah, it's up. I have played on Dhamma Chakra. And yeah. Oh god.
I lost.
Yeah. Okay guys, with this chakra, we are going to close from here from Delton Royal Casino, and this was an amazing tour over here. These 5 levels are really beautiful. Friends, if you have not subscribed, then do subscribe. This is going to be an amazing event out here in Goa, and you should never miss this one. Okay, one more thing I wanted to say, that this is a family casino and you can come and enjoy here with your kids. There is a kids zone also, and you can come with couples. That it's a very safe and very sound. It is worth your money. So catch up on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and do have this glamorous and beautiful stories of our travel. This is Vaishali, for the people, by the people, of the people, closing from casino in Goa. Okay guys, so I am the lucky one to choose the lucky winner here, and that lucky winner is going to get bonus points for a play. So let's open the lucky draw. I should close my eyes, I guess. I should close my eyes. That would be cheating. Okay, yeah, Akash has won. He's the winner. What's your full name? Say.
Akash Kishore.
Akash. Okay. Oh, that's it. Congratulations.